Welcome to Frankensight and our YouTube channel, Ask Frank 15. Today we're going to talk about pseudo-random number generation using the random library in Python. So first of all, every type of number generation it doesn't actually give you a completely random number. It's a pseudo-random number, but for the sake of this lesson, we're going to just say random, but they're really pseudo-random. There's some kind of pattern behind it. Uh, so to the random library, we have here from the random library, we're importing random, randint, choice, and uniform. Firstly, we're going to talk about the random method. The random method returns a random floating point number between 0 and 1. And the syntax is just random. It's the name of the method. You don't actually call it with anything. Uh, Next, we have randint. The randint method returns a random integer within a given range. This method is given the range of between 1 and 100 here. Next is the uniform method. The uniform method returns a random floating point number within a given range. And you call the method, just like with randint, you call it with the range you want it to work in. Here we're using 1 to 5. Next is the choice method. The choice method will choose from a list. If given a string, it will treat the string as a list. So our first example here, you see the syntax. We have the name of the method, choice, and then the list you want to randomly choose from. Here we have a list of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we have a list of strings. The list is called things. So we have hello Dave, cookie, monster, HF, UHF, VHF. And then we take things and we provide that to choice. And lastly, we use a string rando. And since we're giving it just a string, the choice method will treat that as a list. So let's close this and run it. So here we have the random method first. The random method returns a random floating point number between 0 and 1, and it's doing that. Next is randint, our random integer within the range of 1 to 100, since we've given it the range 1 to 100 when we called it. And here we have 62. Next is the uniform method. The uniform method returns a random floating point number, as we mentioned before, and the range we gave it was 1 to 5, and here is the result. And lastly, we have the choice method. The choice method has chosen from a list of numbers, firstly, a list of strings, second, we have hello, and then finally, we gave it rando, a string, and it chose a letter from that because it treats the string as a list. So let's run it one more time. Okay, so this has been an introduction to the random library, to generating some pseudo-random integers, floating point numbers, and pseudo-random choices from lists.